Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can add a TikTok effect to your favorite list on your TikTok profile. So here I have already opened my TikTok, and let's say I want to add this effect, this teenage look effect, to my favorite list. So you can just click on the effects. Okay, click on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Then you'll see this option, add to favorites. So just click on that option and the effect will right away add it to your favorites. So that's the first option. So the second option, if you is you can just click on the plus icon and go to effects. Then here choose your favorite effect. So let's say I want to add this effects right here. Then here you'll see there is a save options in here, so just click on that. The effect will be saved to your profile. So I'm going to go to my profile and in here go to the save and find effects. Okay, so you can see the effects that I saved before will be listed in here. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe if you haven't done that. Bye.